Okay, so I'm gonna teach you 4.1 today. Open up page number 1991. I already got all the code ready, but I'm just gonna explain it to you. Okay, so I just made a two-word atom list, and next we have our variable choice, and then choice is empty because later over here we're gonna take input, which will fill in choice. And if that input is X, which means that it will exit the list, you can't just how can I say it? You can't just continue with it, okay? Anyway, so we just got it for display, atom finder, and everything. A is for adding an atom to the list. B is for removing an atom from the list. Sorry, this is not meant to be A, this is meant to be C. C is for printing the list, and D is for sorting the list. Okay, so over here, if the person's choice is A, you have to add quotation marks for it to be a text if the person's option is A. So then we will ask them what the name of the atom has to be that they have to append. And then we'll append the atom using atoms.append. And later we will print the atom list as well. So let me show it to you for running. Then it will ask me what option do I want to choose. I'll choose A. And I'll just have to think what atom will I add. I'll add oxygen, okay? So there. Now we have hydrogen, helium, and oxygen. Three. Before we had two. So that's it added the atom to the end. Okay, now we have if choices is to B. If the user chooses B, which means to remove the list, it will ask the atom which it wants to remove from the list. Like right now, if I run it again, we will only have helium and hydrogen. So from either of these, the user has to choose which one he wants to remove. And we have atoms.remove. We're going to tell as well, but the more common one is remove and it's more easier. So for example, I already know that it's hydrogen and helium. So I'll choose helium, okay? Now, there, it's removed. Why isn't it printing it? Um, Oh, helium is from H capital. Wait a second. I can do it again. B. Helium's H is capital. There. Yeah, see, now it's hydrogen only. I accidentally did not use capital H. Okay, anyway. If the user's choice is C, as you can see, C is just printing the list. It will just print the list normally. Like if I just write C, it will just print the list. There are two things in the list, it will print it. And then if the user's choice is D, which means to sort the list, if our list is in alphabets, then it will sort it like A, B, C, D. And if our list starts with a number, it will do like 1, 2, 3, for example, like this. If I just write D, if I write hydrogen and helium. But if I do apple and bat, if I change this to apple and bat, okay, so if I just change this, no wait, I should do it the other way around, like bat and apple, the other way around, okay. So now if I do it and if I write C, D, sorry, it will change. No, why didn't it change it? Wait a second. Why didn't it change it? Atoms dot sort. That's it, right? Oh wait, there's brackets as well. Okay, there. Now I think it'll work. D. I forgot to add the. Okay, now see over here above it was bat and apple, and in ABCs A comes first, so it will change it, and apple will come before bat. Or we can, if I want, we can do it with numbers as well. Like if I write 9, and over here if I write 7, probably it should change that as well. There, I think that should work. Yeah, there. 7 comes before 9, so it does that. And the thing is, X is exit the list. So that means if I just write X, it won't do anything. There won't be any running code. Right there. That's just it. If X, you can't just change it. Okay, so that's it. 4.1 is a bit easy. Like you already have all of the codes and everything. Header and body, yeah, I'll teach you that. Header is basically this if choice area you see over here. This is a header. And the body is the thing that comes inside the list. And the thing that comes inside the list is called body, and this is the header part. There can be another header in the list as well if it starts with if, while, for. Sometimes we can have double indentation as well. Like over here, you can see that there's one indentation, and then there's another loop inside the loop, and that loop has indentation. You see, one indentation, two indentation. This is called double indentation. That's pretty easy. Like a loop inside another loop, that means two indentations. So that's really easy, and that's it. It's too easy. I'll make another video for you for 4.2 tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock at night time, so I can't do that much. Okay, bye.